on. She means beautiful. She can't admit that I'm ugly. 'Cause I'm not ugly. Look how beautiful. This took like $5,000. Spoiled brat. Yeah. Oh my god. One tea. One tea. One tea. That's not an answer. That's not an answer. Yes or no? Ouch. What is ouch? Ew. Randomest words you've got in your brain so far. Okay. Sorry, throat problems. Oh, and sorry, la. I can't. See, my friend too scared to do the other game did silence part 2. It's just way too terrifying for her. Damn. Oh god, I really need a cup of water before this. No, but of tea. What the tea? Tea. Yeah, and this is a child friendly. My throat is sore, I swear. This could save my day without dying. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Stop! My tea! My tea! That took like 10 hours to make tea! Who cares? Nobody loves you. You're adopted. I'm playing on the inside. Gonna kill you. Oh, my eye hurts. And my throat hurts. Oh, good, I need water. Just clean it like that. Just clean it like that. Heating. Come on, I can get this. I'm gonna get this. My throat is actually really sore right now because of the beautiful screaming I've done. Ha! Got it. Now slurpy slurpy time. Slurpy slurp time. Environment. Slurp. Let me do that for you. Nice. Nice. Let me show you my slurp. Let me show you my slurp. 3, 2, 1. Beat that. Beat that. Oh, my throat actually really hurts now. Let me get a bit louder for you so I can hear. Once more. Once more. One last slip. Okay, really slow. That was really, and I need one more slip to finish this. I need more slips. Done, finally. Okay. Okay. Bedtime. 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 Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Oh god, I have to fix this so you don't hear me so loudly. Okay. Kinda got it, kinda got it. Nope, no, I didn't get it. Yeah, kinda got it, kinda got it, kinda got it. Yeah, I got it. Let's turn. Ah, it's so laggy. Let's close these. Ah, God! Who's gonna pay for electricity? Not me. I do not sponsor anybody in my videos. Not strangers especially. So, I sleep. I sleep. Nobody cares about you. I sleep, bitch. Listen to that word, not her. Good night. Hope you. Okay. Now this is gonna be a very not entertaining moment of me when I'm sleeping. Because this is gonna be really disturbing. You may put your volume down and put some headphones on just to hear the relaxedness, or you might take them off. I mean, reverse that all. You put the volume way up. You can put on the T on way up. Put your headphones on or earphones. Put them on full volume. And make sure to relax while listening to the sound. See you when you relax. So this is the end of my night routine. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, no, 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 no. Oh, I hate it when it's like it. Okay, see you in the next video.